And I'm here to tell you that TV Mount Pro company came and installed my plasma TV. I'm very happy. They did a very professional job. They came on time and I highly recommend them. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nancy and I'm here to recommend TV Mount Pro for doing a fantastic job on mounting our TV in perfect condition without any wires or anything hanging. And one of the reasons why we did this, because we have 3 little kids and they like to grab onto DVD equipment and cables and wires, and this was a perfect solution for us. And we are very happy with the job. It's beautiful. And I highly recommend them.
Hi, my name is Joe. Listen and listen good. Don't waste your time. Call TV Mount Pro. This is the number. Thank you.